Hello, this is Kyle Mossman with the Teaching and Learning Services team. This video covers topics essential to running your Canvas course that are specific to USF's Canvas Instant and will speak to the differences between certain functions from Blackboard to Canvas. It is still recommended to seek out general trainings on Canvas. So here is our dashboard. Your dashboard is the landing page to Canvas. And so sometimes you can see here that I have 4 courses on my dashboard. Some of your courses may not be listed, say if they're a past enrollment or a future enrollment. So to get the courses here that you would like, you can go to Courses, click All Courses, and then you'll want to select a star next to the courses you wish to appear on your dashboard. So I had 4, I unstar 2, go back to dashboard, and now I only have 2 courses on my dashboard. All courses is a good place to look for your course if it's not showing up here. The other really important function that's a part of your global navigation is the Canvas Help button located here. Canvas provides 24/7 chat and telephone support 365 days a year. So if you're working on your course late at night or on the weekends, it is best that you call Canvas support and not submit a help desk ticket through USF's support system. Canvas will field any question on how to do anything in Canvas or any technical bugs or errors that you're experiencing. Now let's get into a course. You can see here that USF has applied a standard template to every course just to make a more common look and feel for all of our online environments. However, you are free to edit this as you would like by clicking here or changing the home page by clicking this button. The other important function on this Canvas landing page is your student view. This will allow you to act as a student and view the content as your students would in your course. One of the main differences you will notice in student view is the course navigation. Currently, the black font means that this button is enabled, meaning that students will see it, and grayed out font means that it is disabled and students cannot see it. This can be changed in the Course Settings Navigation tab. One of the things you will want to do when you get into your course is import content. To do so, scroll down and go to Settings. On the right-hand side, click on Import Course Content. For content type, you will often select Copy a Canvas Course. You will select this if you are using a Blackboard course that's been migrated over during the transition. Another option is Blackboard 6789 Export Zip File or Common Cartridge. Either of these would be usable if you manually downloaded your Blackboard course and you are re-importing it into Canvas. So we will select Copy a Canvas Course. You will now search for a course. You will need to be an instructor or an administrator in that course in order to have access to it. So if you are seeking to import content from a fellow faculty member, you will need to be made an instructor in that course if you don't currently have access to it. So speak with that instructor to gain that access or email the Teaching and Learning Services team. So if you're importing a course from Blackboard, it is imperative that you select specific content. This is because there's so much duplicated content in Blackboard from semester to semester that certain Canvas courses are crashing with the overload. So it is imperative that you select specific content and only take what you need from that Blackboard course. Here you can select events and due date, or you can adjust the due dates. You'll need to set the beginning and end date and then change it to the next semester that you want it. This will alter every assignment date to fit the new semester as best as it can. And then you'll select Import. It will ask you to select content, and this way you can select the specific modules or assignments that you would like, specific question banks, and just be selective and don't take every single assignment from Blackboard if it's just been duplicated multiple times. Great, so now that we have content, let's look at our modules and we'll get into an assignment. So modules is your student-facing navigation. Modules act as boxes which you then fill with content. So let's make a new module, title it They will always appear at the bottom. It's empty and unpublished. You can see by the hash. So we will add an assignment. So let's talk about adding a assignment which you would like to apply a plagiarism checker to. So we'll go ahead and click New Assignment. So both of these are currently invisible to students even if they were in your class. So we've created an empty assignment with just a title. So you'll want to come in here, change the settings, and write down what the assignment is. Click Edit. So to make a VeriCite assignment, you'll want to come in here and under Submission Type, select Online, and then File Upload. You can see that it asks for plagiarism review, that's none, and you'll want to switch it to VeriCite. This will enable VeriCite on this assignment, so when your student submits their paper, it automatically is run through the plagiarism checker. You can scroll down here, set your due dates, your available from and until dates, and then select Save if you wish it to remain unpublished, or just Save and Publish if you want it to be visible right away. Click Save. So we come down here, it still would be invisible to students, and all you would need to do is click this, and the green check mark means that it is now published and visible to students. There are two more Canvas specific things to talk about in regards to assignments. So let's click back into our test assignment. Go to Edit, scroll down. So previously we decided on online, but there's two others, no submission and on paper. These are effectively the same thing, but on paper is indicating to your students that they need to hand something in. So in Canvas, there's no way to create an ad hoc grading column in the gradebook. You will need to make an assignment in Canvas for everything that a student is going to be graded on. So even if they aren't doing it online, if you want to use the Canvas gradebook, you'll need to come in here, make a Canvas assignment, select either on paper or no submission, assign it a group of points and a due date, and that will provide a column in the gradebook for you to then manually fill in for the paper assignment, midterm exam, final paper, something like that. The other thing in regards to submission type is external tool. If your class uses any sort of third-party integration like MyMathLab or Evolve, things like that, we've already integrated those into Canvas, but if you click here and you can't find the tool that you need for your class, please contact Teaching and Learning Services right away and we'll work on that integration. If you have any questions about Canvas that are more about instructional design or how to set up your online course, please feel free to contact the Teaching and Learning Services team. We'd be happy to work with you. If you just have simple questions, how do I make a group of students or something like that, the Canvas Help button is a great resource for that, or you can go to community.canvaslms.com in order to find guides and videos and resources that Canvas has produced itself. Thank you.